What you thinking?
Well, I'm thinking about inventors. Think about the inventors. Who's the most famous inventor you know? G-D. Who? We never say G-O-D. We always say G-D. I wonder why. And a guy who just joined him recently, a fellow named Steve Jobs. The two of them made unbelievable inventions. However, if you're competitive, think about G-D. He invented everything. My goodness, he's got all those amphibians coming up, and then they become simians. Simian, that's a ape. Look it up. And then the next thing you have man. Stop. The political parties in this country, some of them who don't recognize the separation of church and state, talk about the following: that the earth is only 6,000 years old. Wow. G-D is scratching his, well, maybe he doesn't have a beard. I don't know, because I never saw him. I'm going to see him soon, but not recently. And I'm thinking to myself, it can't be. There are bastodons and mastodons and all kinds of dons, and they're older. And the amphibians, my goodness, and the viruses and the fungi and all those things, they're older than 6,000 years. And here we have Steve Jobs. He comes up there and, he's invented the, what's that thing called? The iPod, and then the iPhone, and then the iPad. And I'm thinking to myself, can you imagine the two of them talking to one another? And they took Steve Jobs too soon. And G-D is saying, I'm really sorry, Steve. You probably eventually could have made more.